32% body fat. This isn't bad. So we need to get you into the high 20s. Ideally, a woman your age, don't throw stones, should be 24 to 29. 24 to 28 is a good range. You have very little excess fat left. You have a little over half a pound. Your reserve fat, you don't need to lose all that. I would say about half of that. So I'm thinking you're 10 pounds away from goal. You can go lower. You don't want to get into the essential fat. So maybe 10, 11 more pounds, and then you're there. Your BMI isn't bad. It can go down a digit or two. Your baseline metabolic rate is 1,311 calories. Okay, that means that at your current weight, to get in a deficit and still lose fat, you have to be below that number. There's another calculator for protein based upon your lean body weight. To preserve this lean tissue, you need roughly 42.5 grams of protein up to 85 grams of protein. And the program should do that if you're having 2 to 3 eating episodes a day. Let me know if that makes sense. If it didn't help, just let me know. I'll try to give you more specifics. Thanks. Hey there, here is a client. We're going to keep her name out of it, but she has completed an assessment. And in this assessment, we're sharing with her what the data means and what she needs to do to keep making improvements. She's obviously made a lot of improvements already. But here I go over protein requirement, what's left to accomplish here, baseline metabolic rate. That way you can get the most out of your free assessment inside of your journal. All you do is log in. It's free to everybody. Go to your journal, click assessment, and just complete the information with a cloth measuring tape. And then we get body fat, lean body fat, essential fat, reserve fat, excess fat, BMI, that's body mass index. That's a key component to predicting longevity, and BMR, baseline metabolic rate. And then we know what to do. We know how to go from there. And this also helps the new photo recognition feature in your journal know where you should be from a calorie standpoint when you upload pictures of your meal. Hope you enjoy this tool. Reach out to me, DM me if you don't know how to interpret yours. This is very important. Got to know where you are and where you're going to be successful. Have a good one.